博士论文
Do you enjoy 写论文, Richard? Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan. I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, we are going to learn how to write a dissertation. Oh no, I'm joking. I'm going to teach you how to say dissertation in Chinese. We have a very qualified person with lots of degrees called Richard Price, the CEO of Academia.edu. Hi Richard, 你好.
你好 ShaoLan.
Okay, writing a dissertation. In Chinese, we say 论文.
论文
论文. 论文 is the dissertation, and in Chinese, we just use one. In English, you have two words. Later, you can teach me the difference between thesis and dissertation. But in Chinese, we just say 论文. 论 means to argue, to articulate, and is also used as a noun. We use that as theory. So 论. 论. And it's the fourth tone. We go down. 论. 论. 文 means literature. 文 is a second tone. We go up. And this is a very useful character, 文. And do you know that originally this character in the ancient symbol, that meant guy with painted chest or tattooed chest. So in ancient time, of course, there was no paper and there was no iPad and no smartphone. So people recorded whatever they could somewhere, on the sand, in the cave, maybe on the field, in their body. They put some paint and then a tattooed painted chest. So someone with a symbol and with a type of drawings and painting over their skin. So a man with painted chest that kept the record of their first wave of the civilization.
Wow.
So 文, that's the original meaning.
That's great. 文.
And now it has become literature. It's a very useful one. For example, when we say Chinese in Chinese, 中文.
中文
zhong means middle, China as well. And 文 is the literature. So Chinese literature is 中文. 中文, and of course French is 法文. So 文 is a very useful word. And to say dissertation is 论文. 论文, that's right. So on your site, Academia.edu, you probably have hundreds of millions of 论文.
We have a lot of people writing 论文, and many of them will upload their 论文 at the end of when they finished it.
Right.
Or part of their 论文.
Yeah. So when we want to say, oh, it's my doctoral dissertation, then we will say 博士论文.
博士论文.
博士论文. 博士 means doctor, doctoral degree. So the doctoral degree dissertation is 博士论文.
博士论文.
That's right. And then, of course, when we talk about the master dissertation, it's 硕士论文.
硕士论文.
硕士论文. And the bachelor dissertation, 学士论文.
学士论文.
That's right. A friend of mine, she's working on her doctoral dissertation, and it's pretty painful. To write a dissertation, we say 写论文.
写论文.
写论文. 写 is to write. 写. 写 is a third tone, and it's a little bit difficult to pronounce unless you do a little bit of practice, but you did a great job, Richard. 写. 写. And then you can go down first and go up into the third tone and try to make your mouth quite wide. 写. 写论文.
写论文.
Right. So do you enjoy 写论文, Richard?
I did love my PhD thesis. I did love the whole 3 years that I spent working on it.
Wow. Okay. And do you want to do more?
I'm now on this mission of trying to build
millions of people to write.
I'm trying to, achieve the goals of Academia.edu, and we've made a certain amount of progress. There's a lot more progress to make. I do love academic stuff, though. But I'm right now focused on building academia to be the biggest, sort of have the biggest impact I can possibly achieve for it.
Yeah, I can see the amount of impact you are making because all those articles and research papers, they were actually turning into something really practical to help mankind. People from, like example you made in Africa, every corner in the world, and they can all benefit from the research done by people they never met and people from thousands of miles away.
Yeah, exactly. We really think that's a better world where, basically anyone who has a connection to the internet can have access to all the kind of elite knowledge that's been generated by humanity.
And then I know you have a large connection in terms of between the researchers and also they can exchange the papers. One of the many things which keeps me awake at night is I'm just thinking, hey, machines are learning much more faster now. And also now with the cloud and machine combination, once one machine figures something out, the rest of the machines in the world, they can all learn instantly. And so they basically build down the giant shoulders. And human, we have to learn everything from scratch.
Yeah.
And I'm not learning as fast as machines. So is there any way, if there's anyone in the world, any network which can enable humans to have the same speed of learning, at least not too slow, compared with machines, then it has to be Academia.edu.
Yeah, it is a very good way of keeping your finger on the pulse. And also if you have an idea and you want to see, am I just crazy? Or does this idea have legs? Then you share it with the network and people to find the sort of weaknesses or the strengths in the idea pretty quickly.
Right. Okay. Wow. You are doing incredible job and please keep doing great work and wish you all the best. Thank you so much, Richard, for joining us. And thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy. Today, we talk about something very important because all the papers and research millions of researchers are doing are affecting our future. This is dissertation, 论文. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until next time, 再见.
再见.